Welcome to today's bedroom transformation video. In this journey, we'll take you from a basic, outdated space to a stunning, modern, luxury bedroom. Let's dive into the transformation. As we look at the room before, you'll notice the mismatched furniture, the old, tired color palette, and the cluttered space. This room feels cramped, with limited light and no real sense of style. The furniture is dated, and there's little room for relaxation or comfort. It's clear that this bedroom needs a complete overhaul. Now, let's make the magic happen. Watch as we transform this room into something truly special. And here we have the finished transformation. A fresh, modern luxury bedroom that's both relaxing and stylish. Notice the clean lines, the calming, neutral tones, and the carefully chosen furniture that adds elegance without overwhelming the space. The bed, now the centerpiece, features soft linens and cozy textures, making it perfect for rest and relaxation. The ambient lighting creates a soothing atmosphere, and the modern accessories like the plants and art add just the right touch of personality. This bedroom now feels open, inviting, and luxurious, exactly the retreat anyone would want to come home to. This transformation shows just how a few thoughtful design choices can completely change a space. From outdated and cramped to sleek and spacious, the new room is a perfect example of modern luxury living. What do you think of the transformation? Let us know in the comments below.